Hello, my name is Linton, and I am the Credit Restoration Specialist here at Applied EDU. You may not know what credit is, however, you can join us the fourth Tuesday of every month, and we will do a full presentation on what our company establishes. One, there are three major credit bureaus. You may not know them, but if you don't, one is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Two, your credit rating starts at 350 and goes all the way up to 880 points. If you did not know that, you're left in the dark. 3. Without credit, you may not be able to do a lot of things that you're trying to do. 1. Buy a house. 2. Get a car loan. 3. Get lower interest rates and lower payments. So, please join us the fourth Tuesday of every month at our home base, and you can RSVP at Linton at appliededu.com, and we will give you all the information you need. Once again, that's Linton, Linton, at appliededu.com, and we will give you all the information you need on joining us. Thank you.